We had a day in Ålesund during our Norwegian Fjords cruise on P&O Arvia, so was visiting the Atlantic Sea Park the best way to spend our time. In this video I'll show you exactly how we got there, what there is to see, and at the end I'll let you know whether we think it was worth doing. I'm Lolly and I share my family travel tips with you. We took our time getting off the ship and headed ashore around 10:30. If you're planning to visit the aquarium independently, it's really straightforward. We walked over to the ticket kiosk where we bought our Atlantic Sea Park tickets. My tip is don't rush to buy your tickets online before your cruise. When we visited the kiosk across from the ship was selling a family ticket which included the shuttle bus, so it was really convenient and meant we didn't need to arrange transport separately. It's definitely worth checking what's available at the kiosk as it could save you money and make things much easier. I believe you can also buy just the shuttle bus ticket if you have pre-booked the aquarium tickets online. The shuttle bus runs approximately every 15 to 30 minutes to and from the aquarium. The journey was really quick and we arrived at the Atlantic Sea Park at around 11:10. The aquarium is right on the coastline, surrounded by sea views and the stunning Norwegian landscape. Inside the Atlantic Sea Park was really family friendly. One of the first things we noticed was how interactive it was. There were lots of exhibits where you could learn more about marine life, making it a great option if you are visiting with children or teenagers. There are huge tanks filled with fish native to Norway and the surrounding fjords, and it was fascinating seeing the different species and learning more about the wildlife in this part of the world. There also is an outside area. We saw penguins, seals and the otters. These were definitely entertaining to watch and definitely one of the highlights of our visit. We spent time exploring both the indoor and outdoor areas. Because the aquarium is right by the sea, you get those beautiful coastal views as you walk around too. And before I carry on, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, I'd really love it if you subscribed. I'm a mum sharing cruise reviews, family travel, theme parks and UK days out with practical tips to help other families plan their holidays. There's also a cafe at the aquarium if you fancy stopping for something to eat or to drink. Just be aware that when we visited, the menu was of course in Norwegian, so you may need to use a translator if you're unsure what something is. There is also a gift shop as you exit the sea park. There's quite a lot of soft toys and souvenirs to choose from, and we did find this quite reasonable. We caught the 1 o'clock shuttle bus back into Ålesund, which gave us plenty of time to still explore the town before heading back on board. As I said, the shuttles were every 15 to 30 minutes, so it really wasn't a problem getting a coach back into the town. Ålesund we found was quite a pretty place to walk around. We had a little wander. We found an indoor shopping centre. So we had a look around some of the shops, and we also found a wine shop, which I believe is the only place that you can actually buy alcohol here. And then we headed back on board by around 2 o'clock, so there's still plenty of time to relax before sailing away. So was the sea park worth it? For us, I'd say yes. If you're travelling with children or teenagers, the Atlantic Sea Park is easy to get to, has plenty to see, and gives you the chance to experience Norwegian marine life up close. Add into that, it's also in a beautiful coastal setting, and it makes for a really enjoyable few hours in port. We also liked that we still had time afterwards to explore Ålesund, so it felt like we got the best of both worlds. If you're following along with our P&O Arvia Norwegian Fjords adventure, then make sure you watch my Olden and Briksdal Glacier vlog next to see my favourite part of the cruise, and then also check out my Haugesund day in port to see another stop on our itinerary. I'll see you over there.